welcome back to I Spider Garage, and today is going to be a fun day. Jack offered to help me with the roof on the El Grande Granada, so that's what we're going to go do. So Jack's going to head over in a minute. He actually ran to the store when I came over, but we've got everything prepped. Again, we're going to clean up the corners here, just make sure everything's nice and smooth. That way we can tape everything off and paint it, sand it, smoothen it out, and we'll be good to go. To save the day. I think his ears were ringing that my Bondo job was bad. Good progress. Jack's got this thing. Look at it. He makes this look easy. I mean, pretty cool. So Jack was just showing me, like, we have this spot and the spot over there that we just kind of need to fix or fill up, but it's coming along good. So Jack worked his magic. We got both sides pretty much done, right, Jack?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's looking awesome. So it's pretty hot. I'm not gonna paint it today. Really appreciate all Jack's. Look at that. I mean, it looks brand new. All right. So huge thank you to the legendary Jack Pieknik for the help with the El Grande Granada. Man, that thing, it's gonna look awesome when it's done. And that was a huge step forward. So really the two big things was that and just getting it running smooth. And the running smooth part should be easy too. So now we just gotta spray the roof and that'll be good for now. And boom, baby, that is it.